how to sign up or create an account on Dogecoin wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to create or open Dogecoin wallet account. So in order to create or open an account, you just have to follow the prompt. So first of all, you need to install the application. So go to your Play Store and type in Dogecoin wallet. You'll be able to locate this My Dogecoin wallet. Press the open button. Now you begin with the creation of your account. Since you are new to this interface, so click on create wallet located right at the bottom. It's going to take you to the field where you can start creating your account. So first of all, you need to secure your wallet with a 6-digit pin. So create that. As you've done that, you could go and click on backup to cloud, and once again create a password and click on confirm backup located right at the bottom. So you just have to wait patiently, and next you'll be taken to the home page. And after that, you could go and verify your account by providing your government ID or all of that. So that is how you can create a Dogecoin wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.